Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken fried steak. Let's get started. Alright, we're going to start off by mixing up our flour mixture and our milk and egg mix. So first we're going to start off by adding 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, 3/4 teaspoons of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a dash of pepper. We're going to put that into the flour. We're going to give that a good mix up. Get those seasons nice and blended with that flour. Next up, we're going to take our 2 eggs. We're going to crack those into the bowl. And to that, we're going to add 3/4 cups milk and 3/4 cups of yogurt. And we're going to mix that up until it's nice and well blended. Alright, now we're going to separate this flour. We're going to put half into one bowl and half in the other bowl. And then we're going to put the egg milk mixture into the last bowl. Alright, now we're going to do this conveyor belt style. We're going to take our cube steak. We're going to dip it in the flour. Get a nice even coat on there. Then it's going to go into the egg milk mixture to moisten it up. And then finally into the flour mixture again. And now we got that all settled up. We're going to set that aside and we're going to do the rest. Alright, so next up we're going to add our ½ cup of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. And we're going to heat that up until it gets to about 350. Alright, now that that's all heated up and boiling up, we're going to take our first steak. We're going to drop it in there face first. Make sure that we drop it away from us so we don't splash hot oil on ourselves. And we're going to give it about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Alright, now that's been going for about 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to give that a little bit of a flip. And go another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We want to get that nice golden brown crust on there. Alright, now it's been for 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. We're ready to pull it off. And then we're going to let that sit on the plate and we're going to do our next one. And there you have chicken fried steak. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.